What's up, guys? Luke and Gage here from Backwoods Hunting and Fishing. We're at Southland Park in Chatham, Illinois. Really big pond, beautiful. We caught in how much, like 42 or something like that?
42 or 41.
42 bass and 3-inch Scary Yamamoto Sinkos. Ran out of the green pumpkin, now we're using orange pumpkin. And we're just tearing them up, guys. Looking at my wacky rig sorrow with the number 4 Eagle Gold Hook. Hitting so good today.
No, this is size 1.
Size 1?
Yeah. Oh, we're getting bugs on the legs that itch.
I think it's stuck on a bee.
Oh, dude, it's horse flies that are getting up on my legs. I was wondering why it hurt. Look off these horse flies. Them motherfuckers hurt, dude.
Right when you hit the water.
Nice, nice. Get over here, show the camera. Dude, why are you recording vertically?
Turn it. Turn the camera.
Oh shit, that was a good one. Where are we going?
Oh, that's a good one.
I looked back as soon as I set the camera up and it was that's a double header right there. 2 good ones.
That one's fat. Yours is fat, Luke.
And these horse flies are on my legs while I'm trying to take this up.
Where the heck is
Here it is.
Where did my Cinco just go?
I don't know. I don't
Took
see
it
it.
off right over here somewhere.
Did he? I think it's still on. Fucking horse fly. I want to catch a big one out here.
I don't even see it.
I cannot hook it right there. Dude, this thing's so torn up. Look at mine, Gage. There's so many big old holes in it.
Where'd my Cinco go?
You have to use another one.
I want to find it because it was fucking right here.
Dude, these horse flies are seriously making me mad.
Right around here.
Find it?
I want to call dragonfly.
Really? I saw you snatch it something. I was like, what? Oh, I see it, Gage.
Where?
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. I could have swore it flipped off really close to the phone. It's not. We're going to be out here for like another 2 hours.
I cannot believe this horse fly is not
We're
getting
going to be out here for like another 4 hours actually. 5 hours maybe.
It's no. Probably 4. Oh my god, as soon as it hit
That
the
thing's
water.
black. Oh, he came off.
Yep. As soon as it hit the water, dude. That's cool. They both have a camera now.
Yeah, turn it. Yeah, when it hits the water, man.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. That one hit as soon as it hit the water.
Just like that one.
Really? Gee.
Oh, it came off again.
What the heck?
I must not have said that.
Yeah.
I saw your line tighten really fast.
Yep.
You're hitting so good.
Here we go. Oh, by the way, me and Gage are both using ugly stick ultralights.
So fun.
Shakespeare reels. The reels are kind of crap, but we're probably gonna buy new ones eventually. I'm gonna buy mine this weekend.
Going to Ozark.
No, that's next weekend when I'm going there. Where's that bass anyway? We need to buy a bunch of these Cincos so we don't have to go out to Shields every time we want them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. They're cheap too.
Eh.
See, I'm casting that big old thing of fry. Because don't take my jump.
You see my line tighten on that one though?
Yeah, it was so fast.
Yeah. It was like he didn't want.
I'm going to catch a big one right here on his bank.
Dude, I've been losing track. I think we're at what, like 48?
48.
Something around there. You one? I just missed one.
Look at all this fry out there.
What?
There's a bunch of them. See, I scared him.
What are those?
Bass.
Really? Dude, I swear, you hit the camera because you keep getting farther and farther away from it. If we're gonna keep looking down. Hopefully not. I don't know what spot was better.
Oh, this one.
I don't know if this spot or the other spot was better.
I think this spot. They're hitting as soon as it hits the water. We haven't fished this mink yet today.
I'm getting sunburned.
Oh, you feel it?
No, I see it. Look at my arm. Look at this arm.
Yeah.
See it?
I see it.
See Gage, look. Was it bad or not?
No, it's not bad.
I don't think so.
God, dude.
You wanna move down?
I think it's a fish a little bit longer over here. Yep, good thing we did. Oh no! Dude, I keep missing them. That was a big one.
Was it?
Down. Try him again. No, that's not the same one. I can surf this one in if I wanted to. Thank you. That was awesome.